Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to enhance water reflections using Color Dodge and Photoshop. I open Photoshop and import a water scene onto a medium canvas. I duplicate the water layer and switch its blend mode to Color Dodge, instantly brightening surface highlights. I lower opacity to keep it natural. I add a black mask and hide the effect. Using a soft brush, I carefully paint over ripples and wave crests to emphasize reflected light. I pause, checking how the highlights guide emotion and depth. Next, I blur the Color Dodge layers slightly so reflections feel smooth and natural. I adjust opacity again until the water appears lively and real.